Welcome back to World Best Car, the ultimate destination for car enthusiasts. If you've ever dreamt of speed, luxury, and cutting-edge technology all in one stunning package, then the Bugatti Tourbillon is the car that will capture your imagination. Let's start by talking about the name, Bugatti Tourbillon. The name alone carries an aura of sophistication and a sense of untamed power. The word tourbillon, derived from the Swiss watchmaking world, refers to a highly complex mechanism that rotates to compensate for the effects of gravity. Just like a precision timepiece, this car promises to deliver unmatched performance, reliability, and craftsmanship. At the heart of the Bugatti Tourbillon lies an engineering marvel that redefines what we think is possible in automotive performance. Powered by a quad-turbocharged W16 engine, this car has the ability to push the limits of speed like few others on the planet. When you press that accelerator, you're not just driving, you're launching yourself into the future. It can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2 seconds, making it one of the fastest cars on Earth. But it's not just about raw speed, it's about control, stability, and precision. Thanks to advanced aerodynamics and cutting-edge suspension systems, the Bugatti Tourbillon offers unparalleled handling, whether you're cruising along the Autobahn or taking tight corners on a winding mountain road. The driving experience feels almost like the car is an extension of your own body, responsive, smooth, and fluid. Bugatti has always been synonymous with jaw-dropping design, and the Tourbillon is no exception. Imagine the sleekest lines, the most aggressive stance, and an exterior that looks like it's been sculpted by the hands of an artist. Every inch of the body is designed not just for beauty but for aerodynamic efficiency, ensuring that it slices through the air with minimal resistance. The bodywork of the Bugatti Tourbillon is crafted from lightweight carbon fiber, making it incredibly strong and resilient while maintaining a low weight for high-speed performance. And let's not forget the exquisite paint finish, which is custom-made and gleams with a flawless shine, further elevating its elite status. When you step inside the cabin, you're greeted with a world of luxury and sophistication. The seats are upholstered in premium leather, designed to offer maximum comfort while embracing the curves of your body. Every detail, from the hand-stitched seams to the custom-designed dashboard, is created with meticulous care and precision. But the Bugatti Tourbillon isn't just about speed and design, it's a technological marvel. Inside the car, you'll find the latest advancements in automotive tech, from a state-of-the-art infotainment system to adaptive cruise control that ensures a smooth ride, no matter the conditions. The car features an intelligent navigation system that adapts to your driving style, making every journey both effortless and exhilarating. With a price tag that can reach up to several $1,000,000, it's not just a car, it's an investment in the future of automotive engineering. But for those who can afford it, the Bugatti Tourbillon represents the pinnacle of automotive luxury, performance, and design. But what truly sets Bugatti apart from other hypercar manufacturers? It's the brand's commitment to pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Bugatti has always been driven by the desire to create cars that are not just fast or beautiful, but unforgettable. The Bugatti Tourbillon embodies this philosophy in every inch of its design, every twist of its engine, and every feature inside its cabin. From its inception, Bugatti has delivered cars that aren't just vehicles, they are masterpieces, crafted for those who seek the best in everything. And the Bugatti Tourbillon stands proudly as the latest in a long line of extraordinary cars that continue to redefine what is possible in the world of luxury automobiles. To sum it up, the Bugatti Tourbillon is much more than just a car. It's a symbol of excellence, an embodiment of performance and luxury, and a masterpiece of design and engineering. If you're lucky enough to experience it, you'll understand why it's considered one of the best cars in the world. That's all for today's review of the Bugatti Tourbillon on World Best Car. We hope you've enjoyed this deep dive into one of the most remarkable vehicles ever created. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, hit that notification bell, and stay tuned for more exciting content on the world's best cars.